Hey, and welcome back to Wax Nostalgic. Today, let's look at a pack of 89 Comeback Edition Bowman. When these came out, I remember there was quite a bit of hype, so I got some, and I did not like them. I didn't like that they were bigger than the other cards. I didn't like the design, but now I really appreciate them a lot more. I like the uniqueness of the oversized card, even though it does make it a little more difficult to store. Um, I like the simple design. It's just very, very vintage feeling. So not really many, if any, action photos. Just very standard portraits in these. So I don't open a ton of these. This may be the first time I've opened one on the channel, maybe not. Uh, but I dig them, and I might end up getting some more just because they're kind of fun. Very difficult. Kind of play the game because they have the names on the front, but it's one of those facsimile autographs, and it can be very difficult to read. Hoping to pull the Griffey out of here, but I'm sure this is my only pack of these that I have, so I'm sure I'm not going to get the Griffey out of here. We do unfortunately get some gum. And we start off with, yep, Glenn Braggs. Okay, Glenn Braggs. Right? Yes. John Smiley. Gary Gaetti. Right? Yes. That's a nice looking shot. And we've got Kevin Elster. Ooh, I was actually able to read the name on that one. Juan Samuel. Yeah, Juan Samuel. Darnell Coles. Nice. Love these. These are like my favorite cards out of the pack. Are these throwback Bowman cards, just reprints. We got a Willie Mays there. It's your sweepstakes card, your info card, and I love them every time. Otis Nixon. Jack Howell. Jeff Robinson. Ozzie Smith. There we go. Ruben Sierra. Nice. And Chris James. All right. Wow. Well, I was for sure that it was going to be the Willie Mays, and that's a nice card, but I don't really seem to pull too many Ozzies, so Ozzie is going to get our king of the pack. Congratulations, Wiz. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.